And thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are setting up our WRD PRO6 setting tool on a 2019 GMC Sierra. This one is pretty straightforward. We're going to hook our hook up on the glass at the top. If you want, you can set it up there and just come up even, but I'm going to hook it up there. And then we are going to take our window cup here. We're going to align our screw here with the top edge of our pillar, the top edge of our tube here, right about here, and right about the middle-ish. Every windshield is going to be a little bit different because of the angle of the windshield. So just know that these are general reference marks. They aren't necessarily, you don't have to be right on the pillar and right in the middle. These are just reference points, and every windshield is going to have a little bit of nuance. So we're going to again align our screw here with the top of our pillar, and then the top of our bar here somewhere below the middle of this mark, like so. Give you a good view of that if I can. And then we are going to anchor our window cup here. The paint job on this is mine. They don't come like this because my tape was starting to wear out, so I wanted to make these marks a little more permanent. Then we're going to come to our new glass, and same thing, we're going to hook the top there since we hooked the top on that one. Thumb here at the base, turn it 90 degrees, and you want this tube to be perpendicular to the edge of your glass. And then we're going to anchor this cup. I typically set this about an inch or so from the edge of the glass. It gives me maximum reach with this tool. Pull this out so you don't hook yourself on it as you're walking around the glass. And then your two cups here, I'm going to put one down here at the bottom by the frit, and then one a comfortable distance up for you. We're going to anchor both of these. Now when you buy this system, the system only comes with this handling cup and those two, and it comes with a handle for the way that they set it up in the instruction manual. If you want to use this setup, you have to buy a fourth handling cup. I consider this this method, at least for me, I have far more control over the glass while I'm setting it. So that is setting up your WRD PRO6 setting tool on a 2019 GMC. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.